Hi there, this is Paige with Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing the card that I made for the monthly card collab. This is hosted by Kim, who is Metal Scrappin' Chick, and Katie, who is Crafty Crab here on YouTube. I'm late with my video because my computer had died and I had to wait until I could get a new one. So let me share the card with you. Each month on the third Sunday we share a card for the monthly card collab, and it follows a theme, and the theme for July was baking. So I made this card when I was making my cards for the collab on the 15th called Craft Our Paper Stash cards. I used some Memories and More cards from Stampin' Up! From last year's holiday catalog. And so while I was making those cards, I made this one at the same time because it had some cookies on it. So what I did is I have a 5x7 white card base. This pattern right here is one of the envelopes that came with a set of Memories and More card bases and envelopes that you could purchase. I just cut the decorative border of the envelope out and used it as a backing layer on here. This is a larger Memories and More card, and this is a smaller one, and I popped it up with dimensionals. And then along with those cards were some sticker sheets, and so I just pulled out all the tiny little stars and added them to the mugs here on the front. I went over the furry parts of the hat with Wink of Stella, and I went over the little foam on the hot cocoa mugs with Wink of Stella. Although my Wink of Stella is getting kind of to the end, I've been refreshing it several times with rubbing alcohol, but I think it's time to get a new one. For the inside of the card, I just used a leftover strip of this pattern from the Memories and More card, and this piece. Now some of this could have been, and I take this back, because some of this could have been the coordinating 6x6 DSP that went along with that whole Santa set. So I know that's a Memories and More card, but this could have been some designer paper. Anyway, I used a scrap down here, and then I added more star stickers to the mugs on the bottom. So that is my card. I will leave a link down below to all the people in this collab, but since I'm late, I'm sure you've already visited their channels and have seen their cards. I'd like to thank all of you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.